Yes, observe this question, SSC-CGL, pure maths, circles topic. Of course, you will have so many doubts. Circles means very huge topic. We can't crack every question. Very difficult situation will be there. That will be a doubt, right? But if you understand it clearly, if you know the basic properties of circle, every question will be solved for sure. Why? Because it is very near to our real life. That's why don't hesitate about this particular topic. Very easy, and of course, one of my favorite topics. First of all, understand the question. What is the information he has given? According to that information, if you know the basic properties of the particular circle, we can crack every question for sure. That's why understand and observe it properly. Of course, we have R, O, what we can say, it is what P. I think it is P. Yeah, P. P, R, O, S, Q, T. Yeah. According to the given situation, in the given figure, yes, in the given figure, O is the center. Yes, O is the center. Nice. The circle OQ is perpendicular to RS. Yes, RS is there. OQ is nothing but perpendicular. Below 90 degrees. No problem at all. SRT is 30 degrees. SRT means what? Don't confuse. SRT. SRT will be 30 degrees. SRT will be 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Don't confuse. Okay, fine. If RS is 10 root 2. RS means what? From here to here, 10 root 2. This total work can be 10 root 2. For your comfort only. From here to here, RS can be 10 root 2. Nice. Then what is given here again? What is the value of PR square? We need to find the PR square value. This total value we need to take. Okay, fine. According to the given figure, first of all, we should know the basic properties of circle. Observe it properly. This entire RS value can be, don't confuse. RS can be given as what? 10 root 2, right? RS means what? From here to here, 10 root 2. Whenever we have a perpendicular line from the center, whenever we have a perpendicular line from the center to a curve, RS will be a curve here, right? Why? Because RS is dividing circle into two parts, not equal parts, but into two parts. Logical RS can be called as what? Curve. So whenever we have a curve, if I draw a line from the center to the particular curve, it can be called as what? Perpendicular bisector. That is a basic property. Yes. If I draw a particular line to the RS curve, it is perpendicular. Logical it can be bisector also. That's why I can find this side and also this side. It can be exactly half of, right? It will be what? It will be 5 root 2. Half of the length. Total length can be 10 root 2. So logical this total RQ will be what? RQ will be 5 root 2. This is the given information. Okay, fine. You should know the one basic rule. If I draw a line to a curve, perpendicular line to a curve, it should be the perpendicular bisector. Basic rule. Right? Fine. Actually, what do you need to find? PR square. So I need to find the PR square value. My target is what? My target is PR square. PR square is nothing but whenever we 90 degrees. Observe PRQ triangle. PRQ triangle. Observe it now. In PRQ triangle, I need to find PR square value. PR square is nothing but, for your comfort only, don't confuse. PR square is nothing but RQ square plus, according to Pythagoras. PR square is nothing but RQ square plus PQ square. Yes, exactly. PQ square. I know RQ square value. PR square. I want PR square only. According to Pythagoras, hypotenuse square, 90 degrees opposite value will be hypotenuse. Hypotenuse square equal to side square plus side square. Here we have RQ square. What is RQ square value? 5 root 2, right? 5 root 2 whole square is there. 5 root 2 whole square is there. Plus I want PQ square value. That's it. If I know PQ, I can get the answer for sure. I need to find PQ value. How to get PQ value here? PQ is nothing but from here to here. In this case, little bit difficult story is there. But don't confuse. We can find PQ. At any cost, what do we want? PQ value. How to get PQ value here? From P to O. What will be the answer? Come on. From P to O, what will be the answer? You don't know answer, but you have to know one particular point. From the center to a circumference of the circle, from center to a circumference of circle, it can be called as what? Radius. Yes or no? Yes. It can be called as what? Radius. You can take any line from the center to a circumference of the circle or end of the circle. You can get a radius for sure. Okay, fine. OP or PO can be R, radius of the circle. Fine. In the same way, OR also R. Why? Because from O to R, here we have circumference of circle. O to R, radius will be there. Logically, OR is nothing but OP. If I know OR, I can get OP. But I don't want only OP. I want OP plus QO also. Yes or no? PQ or not? PQ square is nothing but what? PQ square is nothing but PO plus OQ. Of course, PO is nothing but R. I want OQ plus R, that's it. I want this concept, very simple concept. I want this one and also this one. The sum of two values can be what? PQ square value. That's it, nothing is there. I need to find QO and OP. Nothing is there. How to find OP? To find OP, we need to find RO or OR. OP is equal to OR, basic rule. OP equal to OR. When we draw a particular line from a center to a circle, the circumference of a circle, it should be radius. That's it. Okay, to get R value, we'll have one condition here. Very fantastic condition. Observe it. Here, observe it properly. RT, what is RT here? Basic principle. What is RT here? RT is nothing but tangent. It is touching a circle at R, right? RT is nothing but a tangent. Understand the second property. First property is what? Center to circumference of the circle. If I draw one line, that can be radius. That is property number one. Before that, OQ is a perpendicular line to a curve. That's why it can be the perpendicular bisector. Second property. Third property is what? If you have a tangent, if I draw a radius to 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 a tangent, that can be compulsory 90 degrees value. 90 degrees value. This radius should make 90 degrees value. Unfortunately, in this particular 90 degrees value, we have 30 degrees value this side, right? What is given? SRT. SRT value is given is what? SRT value is what? 30 degrees. SRT value 30 degrees is there. SRT value 30 degrees. The total value 90 degrees. Out of 90, 30 gone. Remaining value can be 60 degrees. Yes. QRS. ORQ. Angle ORQ can be 60 degrees. What is the reason behind it? What is the reason behind it? Don't confuse. If I draw a line to a tangent, it can be radius and of course it will be perpendicular. That is a property. Whenever you have total value 90 degrees, out of 90 you have 30 degrees, that is what? SRT value. SRT value 30. Logically, ORQ value can be remaining 60. Yes, we got 60 degrees. If I observe the small triangle here, don't confuse. What is that? What is that? Observe Q, O, R. It can be 60 degrees, right? I want R value. This can be R value, and I want opposite value also. That's it. If I know R value, then only I can get PO value. PO and R will be the same. Yes or no? RO is nothing but PO. I want R value and as well X value. Sum of these two values can be our PQ square value. That's it. Nothing is there. Okay, fine. We got some command. But I have a small doubt here. If I know 60 degrees value, again find X value and R value. According to trigonometry, happily you can find. We'll have this value, right? What is this RQ value? RQ value is given as what? 5 root 2, right? Yes, below this value has got 5 root 2. We have 5 root 2. 5 root 2 is nothing but adjacent value. For 60 degrees adjacent value 5 root 2. I want R value as well as X value. According to cos adjacent by hypotenuse. Cos 60. Cos 60 is equal, be careful, cos 60 is equal to adjacent by hypotenuse 5 by 5 root 2 by R. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. Trigonometry will be entered, don't confuse. Fine, 5 root 2 by R is there, 5 root 2 by R. Then R value can be, 2 should be multiplied. Again R will be 10 root 2. R will be again, we are getting 10 root 2. 10 root 2. If it is 10 root 2, this can be 10 root 2, right? I got OP value also as 10 root 2. Both are same. This can be radius and also this can be radius. That's why 10 root 2 will be same, right? Both are same. No problem at all, I got the point. But how to get this small side? If I use cos property, I got 10 root 2 as a OP value or OR value. I want one more value. What is that? This question mark. Q. How can I get Q value? Of course, adjacent side is there, opposite side is there. I can go for tan formula. Tan 60. Yes, again tan 60. Tan 60 can be opposite by adjacent. Opposite will be, we don't know the value. It can be X. That is not X. X by 60 value. I mean X by 5 root 2. Opposite by adjacent. Tan 60 is nothing but root 3, right? Root 3 equal to X by 5 root 2. Logically, X can be what? 5 root 2, 5 root 2 can be 10 root 6, not 10 root 2, 5 root 6, 5 root 6, we got x value, this can be 5 root 6, I got 10 root 2 and as well as 5 root 2 6, these both are called PQ square values, that's it, PQ square values, this is the basic concept of the story. Here we have three properties. First one, if I draw a line to a curve, perpendicular to a curve, it can be a bisector, that's why I decided this RQ value. If I draw one line to a particular tangent, it can be radius. If it is radius, it is also radius. Why? Because it is passing from the center, right? Radius. Cut to perpendicular property is there. Center to any circumference circle can be radius. Third property very powerful. If I draw a line to a tangent, it should be the perpendicular line for sure. That's why we can take it as 90 degrees. Out of 90, 30 the remaining will be 60. I got the 60 degrees value. According to that, I can go for cos and tan to get opposite value and hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse is nothing but OP. We got the command right? Now you can substitute, that is the answer. We got PR square value, right? How we got PR square value? PR square value is nothing but 5 root 2 whole square plus PQ whole square. What is PQ value? PQ value is nothing but 10 root 2 plus 5 root 6. 10 root 2 plus 5 root 6. So final step is what here? I want PR square value. Come on, PR square is nothing but, PR square means this one. PR square, for your comfort only, PR square is equal to 5 root 2 whole square means 25 into 2, 25 into 2, don't confuse, 25 into 2 plus PQ means, PQ is nothing but 10 root 2 plus 5 root 2, 5 root 6, 10 root 2 plus 5 root 6. A plus B whole square, you can split it, you can get the answer as, I think, the third option, 202 plus root 3, that can be the final answer. So finally what we got? 5 root 2 whole square value, PQ is nothing but, PQ is nothing but OP plus Q. This is the basic concept here, right? I think you got the good command on it, right? Of course, without formulas, how can you deal with the situation? If you know properties, you don't want formulas. Why? Because cos 60 is nothing but opposite by adjacent. Cos 60 adjacent by hypotenuse, right? Adjacent value is what? One part. Two parts value is what? That can be 10 root 2 directly. Okay, if I know 10 root 2 value, how to get opposite value? Tan is nothing but opposite by adjacent. We have adjacent value. What is tan 60? Root 3 by 1. Root 3 by 1 means what? One part is what? 5 root 2. So, what is root 3 parts value? You can get the answer, right? After getting x value and 10 root 2, we need to add the both. Then we can get total PQ value. So, final step is what? So, PR square is nothing but RQ square plus PQ square. PQ is nothing but 5 root 6 plus 10 root 2. So we can apply the square root, we get the answer as third option. This is the basic concept. Of course, we will have logical approach also, ratio concept. It will be discussed in inside of the class, right? Don't confuse. At any cost, you need to give the good comment on the particular subject. Don't confuse. Okay? My perception, circles will be very easy topic, but you should know the basic principle. In this particular question, we will have three theorems. What is the first one? From center to a curve, if it is perpendicular, it should be bisector. With a perpendicular line, it should be bisector. Rule number 1. Rule number 2. From O to any point on the circumference, it can be called as what? Radius. Right? Radius. Okay. OR is nothing but OP. That is the basic idea. Third property. If I draw a particular radius value from center to a tangent, it should be the perpendicular line for sure. If you know the perpendicular line, we got 30 degrees SRT, some small part. If you go for the big part, it will be 90, right? Total value 90, the remaining part can be 60. Out of 90 below 60 degrees. This is a basic idea. So better to practice more. I hope you are getting the command on this particular subject.